Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a listing with eRealty, complete guide step by step clearly. To register a listing with eRealty, start by visiting the eRealty website. Locate the register button on the home page. Click the register button to initiate the process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and contact number. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click the Submit button to create your account. Next, log into your newly created account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Listings section on the dashboard. Click on the Add New Listing option. Begin by entering the property address, including street, city, state, and zip code. Provide detailed information about the property type, such as residential or commercial. Input essential details like the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. Upload high-quality images of the property to enhance your listing. Add a catchy title and a detailed description highlighting key features. Set the listing price and choose the appropriate listing status. If applicable, indicate any special amenities or selling points. Review all the information carefully to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your listing live. After publishing, monitor your listing's performance in the dashboard. You can make edits or updates at any time by accessing the My Listings section. For further assistance, refer to the Help Center on the eRealty website. Follow these steps to successfully register your listing with eRealty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.